tutorial on how to make a starter. And I will do. And if you're thinking this is a starting machine to mix the marbles, this is not the video. First of all, there are two types of these starting bowls or starters. The first one is the circle bowl. So first, actually there's two ways to make this. First of all, it kind of, I don't know when this ball was created. But anyways, you could make it the same way as a starting machine. And of course, there's no spoiler in this video. This may spoil the way on how to make it. But here it is. Now, we just need let's create the marble. Beautiful. This is the 13 marble, the size of my marble. Actually, let's make it a little larger. Something to look like an oval. Not an oval. Something like this. And now I'm going to take a little rectangle, put it over the marble that you're using to size the marble, and then subtract it. That's one way to make a circle bowl. The other is different. We will still be needing a marble. I'm sorry. Why did I accidentally erase? There. Now we're going to need to add a circle, and then we're going to need a giant box. It looks slightly different when it's done. Now we're going to create this. And from here it goes the same steps. Let's make sure this up to 0.25. I need to figure size. The size of it is something like this, or is it? It's probably something like this. That's maybe I accidentally made the marble still. That's 0.13. I don't know how it changes to 0.13. Then the same steps. Wait, that I did add. Yep, I did add. We're supposed to subtract. And there you have it, a circle bowl. Now, what about the starter? First of all, there's two ways to make this. First, actually, 3 ways. The first way is a longer way, but it's to make a rectangle. Do it to background, copy it, and again, like this. Put it on the side, copy it. And that's the starter. Another way to make this is an easier way. First, do this. Then you're going to have to make another box within it. It has to fit within the edges. Something like from here, way here, and then here. Then we are going to subtract it from the other object, and there you go. You could come find these and add a bowl in the other side if you want. But that's today's tutorial on the starter and circle bowl.